In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Liquify tool in Photopea. This feature is perfect for gently reshaping parts of a photo, nudging objects into place, or adding a bit of creative distortion, all while keeping things looking natural. First, open your web browser and head to Photopea. It runs right into the browser, so there's nothing to install. Once the workspace loads, we'll bring in the image you want to edit. Click Open from Computer, then choose your photo. Give it a second to load, and you'll see it appear on the canvas in the center. With the image ready, move to the top menu and click Filter. From the drop-down, choose Liquify. This opens a dedicated workspace designed for controlled warping. On the left, you'll find a set of tools. On the right, you'll see settings for brush size, pressure, and density, which determine how strong and how wide your adjustments will be. Now choose your preferred Liquify tool. The forward warp tool is the most common. It pushes pixels in the direction you drag, great for subtle corrections. Pucker pulls pixels inward, handy for tightening areas like fabric folds. Bloat pushes pixels outward, useful for rounding shapes. Push left shifts pixels perpendicular to your drag and can create twisting effects. Take a second to hover over each tool to see what it does, then pick the one that fits your goal. To make your edits, click and drag directly on the canvas. Work slowly with small controlled strokes and a medium brush size. If you need precision around edges or features, reduce the brush size and lower the pressure so the effect is gentle. For broader adjustments, increase the size and pressure slightly. Zoom in to refine delicate areas, then zoom out to check the overall balance. Keeping your changes subtle usually gives the most realistic results. If a move feels too strong, undo it and try shorter drags rather than one long pull. When you're happy with the reshaping, click OK to apply the Liquify changes and return to the main workspace. The edit is now baked into your image, and you can continue with other adjustments or export your work when you're done. That's all there is to it. You went to Photopea, opened your image, navigated through Filter to Liquify, chose the right tool for the job, made careful drags on the canvas, and confirmed your changes. Practice on a copy of your photo and experiment with different brush settings to build confidence. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating smoother, more polished edits with Liquify and Photopea.